Entering the digital marketplace, a new and lucrative niche is capturing attention: clip art, especially when crafted using AI image generators. It's a groundbreaking shift, allowing creators to tap into the vast potential of AI for producing unique and captivating digital art. As e-commerce platforms like Etsy continue to thrive, leveraging AI in this space presents an unparalleled opportunity for profitability and innovation. This evolution in creating and selling digital art marks a significant turn in the digital product landscape, promising both creative freedom and commercial success. The business model for selling clip art on Etsy, particularly when augmented by AI, exemplifies a streamlined approach to digital entrepreneurship. It's built around the creation, marketing, and sale of digital art pieces to a wide audience, leveraging the platform's reach without the logistical challenges of physical products. This model is attractive for its low overhead cost and the potential for passive income, offering scalability and efficiency. Focusing on specific niches like watercolor clip art allows creators to tap into unmet consumer demands, carving out a profitable market segment. The integration of AI accelerates the design process, enabling rapid production and iteration based on market feedback, all while keeping production cost minimal. This business strategy underscores the potential of technology in transforming creative ventures into lucrative opportunities, emphasizing adaptability and insight into market trends and consumer preferences. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. Niche selection within the digital art market, especially in the realm of clip art, is not merely important, it serves as the foundation upon which success is built. Watercolor clip art graphics, for instance, has emerged as a niche with a significant demand, yet face surprisingly scant competition. This imbalance underscores a substantial gap in the market, signaling an untapped opportunity for creators ready to venture into this space. Delving deeper, niches like watercolor flowers or seasonal themes offer more than just a focused production line. They cater to specific audience needs, significantly boosting sales potential. For example, watercolor floral clip art, with its soft, aesthetic appeal, attracts a wide range of buyers, from wedding planners needing invitation designs to crafters looking for journal decorations. Seasonal themes, on the other hand, tap into recurring market demands, with clip arts for holidays or seasonal events like Christmas, Halloween, and summer vacations seeing spikes in interest and sales. Leveraging analytical tools such as Etsy Search and Google Trends provides creators with actionable insights into market demands. These tools can reveal which clip art themes are trending, the search volume associated with specific keywords, and even predict seasonal peaks in demand. This data-driven approach enables creators to strategically plan their product lines and launch timings, aligning with the market trends for maximum impact. Customer reviews and feedback on existing clip art products serve as a direct line to understanding buyer preferences and market gaps. Positive feedback can highlight what aspects of a clip art design resonate with most customers, while negative reviews can offer clues on areas for improvement. Mid-Journey and similar AI tools have revolutionized the clip art creation process, offering a blend of efficiency, originality, and style diversity previously unseen. These tools enable creators to rapidly produce clip art that ranges from standard designs to unique pieces that stand out in crowded marketplaces like Etsy. Starting with AI for clip art creation involves selecting the right tool, Mid-Journey for instance, and familiarizing oneself with its interface and capabilities. The process then moves to inputting effective prompts. These prompts are crucial as they guide the AI in generating artwork that aligns with the creator's vision. Crafting a prompt requires a balance of specificity and creativity to ensure the output is both relevant and original. One of the standout advantages of using AI is the sheer speed at which designs can be produced. Unlike traditional methods that may take hours for a single piece, AI can generate multiple options in minutes. This speed, coupled with the originality AI brings, allows for rapid experimentation and iteration, a must in the dynamic Etsy market. The capacity to produce a wide range of styles, from minimalist to complex, from abstract to hyper-realistic, further underscores AI's value in clip art creation. To illustrate, examples of AI-generated clip art showcase the spectrum of possible outcomes. These examples serve not only as inspiration, but also as a benchmark for what's achievable with AI. For creators aiming for more professional and unique designs, leveraging advanced prompts and settings becomes key. Adjusting parameters like style, color scheme, and detail level can significantly alter the final product, pushing the boundaries of conventional clip art. Experimentation with different prompts is essential to harness AI's full potential. It's through trial and error that creators find those golden prompts that yield the best results. However, it's crucial to remember that AI-generated images may require refinement to meet Etsy standards and customer expectations. This might involve tweaking the resolution, adjusting colors, or even manually editing parts of the image to ensure they're polished and market-ready. Enhancing image quality is imperative for ensuring customer satisfaction and standing out in a competitive marketplace. High-resolution, clear images directly influence a buyer's perception of quality and can be the deciding factor in purchase decisions. Utilizing AI image upscalers is a strategic move to enhance the resolution and clarity of clip art without compromising on the design's integrity. These tools can transform even the most basic illustrations into high-quality assets ready for commercial use. Transitioning to preparation, photo editing software like Photopea becomes invaluable. This tool is essential for refining images, particularly for removing backgrounds to create transparent PNG files, a standard requirement for clip art sold on platforms like Etsy. This process involves selecting the background with a magic wand tool or similar function and deleting it, leaving behind a clean, versatile image that users can easily integrate into their projects. Organizing clip art into collections or themed packs not only aids in selling, but also enhances the shopping experience for customers. It provides them with a curated selection that fits their specific needs, whether they're looking for holiday-themed illustrations or floral patterns. This organization strategy can increase the perceived value of your offerings and encourage larger purchases. Creating visually appealing product previews is crucial. Tools like Canva can be used to design eye-catching thumbnails and preview images that showcase the clip art in use. This step is about selling a vision. It helps potential buyers imagine how they can use your clip art in their own projects. Additionally, detailed product descriptions and strategic use of keywords play a pivotal role in SEO, making your listings more discoverable to those searching for clip art on Etsy. Finally, the packaging and delivery of digital products should be handled with care. Hosting your clip art files on Google Drive and creating direct download links ensures a seamless delivery process post-purchase. This method not only simplifies the distribution process, but also keeps your files organized and easily accessible. Embedding these links in a well-designed PDF, complete with instructions or suggestions for use, adds a professional touch to your digital product, enhancing the overall customer experience. Marketing is not just a tool, but a necessity for driving traffic to your Etsy shop, transforming browsers into buyers. Leveraging social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest is paramount, as they offer visually rich environments where clip art can shine, attracting targeted audiences with strategic hashtags and engaging content. Building a brand around your Etsy shop fosters recognition and loyalty, setting the foundation for long-term growth. It's about creating a cohesive narrative across all marketing channels, from the style of your clip art to the tone of your social media post, crafting an identity that resonates with your target audience. Etsy ads serve as a powerful mechanism to amplify product visibility. By judiciously investing in ads, you can position your clip art in front of a wider, more diverse audience, optimizing for keywords that match your product's unique selling points. Engagement within the Etsy community through forums and groups can significantly enhance your shop's presence. This involvement not only aids in understanding market trends and customer expectations, but also in establishing your shop as an active, invested member of the Etsy ecosystem. The role of customer reviews in building shop credibility cannot be overstated. Positive reviews act as social proof, reassuring potential customers of your product's quality and your reliability as a seller. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave feedback is crucial. From understanding market demands to leveraging AI for clip art creation and enhancing product quality for sale, the journey to building a successful Etsy shop is multifaceted. Effective marketing and engagement strategies further amplify the potential for success. This video underscores the importance of diligence in market research, the pursuit of quality in product creation, and the strategic approach to marketing. Viewers are encouraged to embrace AI, unlock their artistic potential, and apply the insights shared to initiate and expand their Etsy clip art business. The path to success is clear. Start creating, remain steadfast, and strategically apply these guidelines to foster growth in your Etsy shop. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you won't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.